Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by powering devices and the remote. Insert fresh batteries and make sure TV is on. Once done, place the remote about 3 to 6 feet away, pointing at the TV's IR window so signals register. You also want any target device powered, and on the input you'll control. This avoids false positives during programming. Make sure ambient light or obstacles won't block the beam, because even small obstructions can prevent the initial handshake. You now put the remote into programming mode by holding program or set until the LED lights or blinks. That tells the remote it's listening. Next, either enter the manufacturer/device code from the manual or run the auto search. Press channel up or power repeatedly until the TV reacts. Once you see a response, press save or OK to lock the code in. Make sure to test power and volume to confirm the remote controls the expected functions before moving forward. You finish by saving the setup and verifying the main controls: power, input, volume, and mute. If a function fails, repeat the programming with the next code option or run auto search again. Often the second or third match is correct. If the remote is still unreliable, replace batteries and check for interference from bright LEDs or sunlight. As a last resort, perform a factory reset to clear old pairings. Then reprogram. This fixes conflicts from.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.